Scooter, what have we found?
Oh, let's see. On today's episode of What's Going On.
Now this is, let's give everybody a
This
is us getting ready to pull the pan, to reseal it, do the remain. But this here on the floor, that's trans fluid. This thing's been on the lift, what, a couple hours now? Like yesterday.
Yeah.
We put it back on the lift.
So we have tail house
but that's from there.
that's leaking, return pipe
God.
that's leaking, pan that's leaking,
What a
inspection cover that's leaking.
This whole thing needs a reseal.
Oh yeah, I mean it's
Look at the shift levers.
Oh yeah, it's pissing absolutely everywhere.
So,
I mean it's like me after a night at the bar.
oh my. Oh. As Chris would say, oh girl.
But yeah, I mean
Yeah.
it's absolutely everywhere.
I mean, seeing we have to drop this pan anyway, we may
And
wanna consider
the other thing
pulling
I want
this
you to
out.
look at is if you look up, that's the brake.
That's the control valve for the steering.
Yeah.
That's
pissing.
Pissing. We have a guy locally that rebuilds those.
Okay.
So, yeah, and this hose is looking worse for wear.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send this over to you directly, John. Not just on YouTube, but I'm gonna send it direct. And shoot me a text. Let me know what you want to do. But I have a feeling this needs to go to Mark at least to get resealed. So we can pull it here and take it over to Mark.
We can pull it there. We can pull.
Scooter strikes again. All right, so that's where we're at. So let me touch base with you on this.
Okay, here we go. See if we can get this out of the hole. Normally you get kids this way, but you know, there's enough grease on this thing. I think it protected it all. You have nothing hooked up to you anymore. Nothing. Come out. Okay, time to go underneath. Okay. Scooter's an absolute moron. Watch, ladies and gentlemen. Pull dipstick out. That's that's really weird. Back underneath we go. And if you can see that, I don't know how clear the focus is getting. There we go. We don't have to take it out. We just have to leave it sitting there so we can get the oil pan out. Which in turn means all of this has to be disconnected so that we can drop the oil pan. Fun. This is the way we clean the hole, clean the hole, clean the hole. This is the way we clean the hole at 12:30 in the afternoon. Parts being cleaned. Make them all nice and pretty, or purdy if you're from the south, like me. And since we're doing absolutely amazing things today, we're putting a new gasket on someone's differential. Or if you work around the areas that I have, you're putting something in someone's bum and plugging the hole. Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Just putting on the last screw for the differential. All new gasket, a little bit of silicone. Myself, I prefer this one. It's really, really good. Takes the heat quite well. Unlike my kids when I yell at them. Did a good cleaning. I'll wipe it down again because my hands were dirty. Clean the tag so you can read exactly what the numbers are. And yeah, we'll button this up now.